International Days celebrating. Observed annually on 4th of January, World Braille Day was established by the UN General Assembly in December 2018. The date also marks the birth anniversary of Louis Braille, who at the age of 15, invented the tactile system for reading and writing for use by people who are blind or visually impaired.
The UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, CPRD, cites the universal system as a means of communication, and regards it as essential in education, freedom of expression and opinion, access to information and social inclusion for those who use it. It has been tweaked over the years, and as early as 1949, UN Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, took the initiative to promote a survey of problems aimed at establishing Braille uniformity.
Braille is read by passing one's fingertips over an arrangement of between 1 to 6 embossed dots, which represent letters, numbers as well as musical and mathematical symbols. Braille can be written using a Braillewriter, a device similar to a typewriter, or by using a pointed stylus and a Braille Slate to punch dots on paper.
What is Braille? Braille is a tactile representation of alphabetic and numerical symbols using 6 dots to represent each letter and number, and even musical, mathematical and scientific symbols. Braille, named after its inventor in 19th century France, Louis Braille, is used by blind and partially sighted people to read the same books and periodicals as those printed in a visual font. Braille is essential in the context of education, freedom of expression and opinion, as well as social inclusion, as reflected in Article 2 of the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities.